Ava and Angela here with SplitterSplatPreKCoop. We are here to show you how to play number peekaboo. Okay, so what you're going to need for this game is one of our game cards. We would suggest either using the 12-step game card, right?
Yep.
Or the 6-step game card. If you use the 12-step game card, you'll also need a dodecahedron. So this is a 12-sided die. We have made one out of cardstock, and we have a DIY die template through SplitterSplat that you can download and make your own. Or if you choose the game card with only 6 steps, you can use just a regular old die. Okay? So the next thing you're going to need is something that is big enough to cover, okay?
The numbers.
The numbers up. So we can't see the numbers. That's why it's called peekaboo, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. And so we have these little kind of plastic token type things. You can use poker chips. You could even use like little snacks, like monster snacks from the
Monster game.
Yeah, for the Monster Mouth game. Okay. So you see that we've covered all of these up. Okay. So now what's the next step? Let's say you go first, Ava.
Okay.
What would you do?
You'd roll the dice.
And let's see what you rolled.
I rolled a 6.
Okay, so what would you do next?
I would go...
So she's going to try and find what number?
1, 6.
Okay, so let's see. She's going to guess.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, let's see. Was it under there? She got it right.
Yay!
Woo! So if you get it right, you get to keep it.
Yep.
But if you get it wrong, that's okay. You just have to leave them there.
Yeah.
And you don't get to take any treats. And you got to try again on your next turn.
Yeah.
So then if it was my turn, I would roll. All right, I got a 2. So I would guess the 2. I think the 2 peekaboo is going to be under here. And I was right. Okay. So now let's say, Ava, that you rolled. Let's say, pretend that you rolled again. And you rolled a 6 again, okay? Now, what would happen?
I would go 1. Wait, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I skip my turn because there's nothing there.
That's right. So the game's going to get harder and harder the more numbers that we uncover, right?
Yep.
Now, the game will end once we have uncovered all of the numbers, right? Everybody's rolled these numbers at least once. And then when the game is over, we count up how many of the coins that we have, and the person with the most wins. So it's as simple as that. It's a great game for counting, right? Reinforcing counting, and it's kind of a fun element of this peekaboo. Like, I wonder if it's matching or not. You can have them match 6 and a 6, 6 and a 6, right? So there's lots of really fun things that this is reinforcing. But mostly it's just fun because, I don't know, who doesn't like to win, right? And get prizes.
And maybe you could do it even harder and have some that are already uncovered to make it kind of harder.
So especially if you don't have enough treats or coins or whatever, what Ava is saying is you could actually start out with some of the numbers uncovered. That's also good because that can help give you clues, right? You can say, I think this might be a 3 because 3 comes after 2 and it comes before 4, right? So you can start having those conversations as well, the more numbers that are uncovered. That's a good point, Ava. Okay. All right. Say bye.
Bye.